Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Chats.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Hello, everyone, and welcome to day 14.
Can you believe we're already on day 14?
I know. Tomorrow we'll finish week 3.
You're doing such a great job.
You really are. Every day you're learning new words, practicing your listening, and becoming more confident when you speak English.
We hope you're enjoying the challenge as much as we are.
I definitely am.
This week, we've been talking all about people.
That's right.
We talked about our families, how people look, and yesterday, we talked about personality.
So today, let's talk about someone who's very special. Your best friend.
Everyone has different friends, but many people have one person they feel especially close to.
The person you can always call.
The person you trust.
The person who knows all your funny stories.
Sometimes a few embarrassing stories, too.
That's true.
So, Alex, who's your best friend?
My best friend is Mark.
Ah, yes. I think I've heard a little about Mark before. Isn't he the friend you play football with every Saturday?
That's him.
And the one who usually ends up eating pizza with you afterwards?
Yes. Sometimes we say we're only going to play football, and then somehow we're ordering pizza 3 hours later.
Oh, that's nice. Sounds like a perfect Saturday for you.
Yeah, it really is.
So, how long have you known each other?
About 8 years now. We met at university.
Wow! Really?
We actually lived in the same apartment building.
That's a nice way to meet someone.
It was. At first, we just said hello in the hallway.
And then?
One day, he asked if I wanted to play football with him and some friends. And we've been friends ever since. What about you? Who's your best friend?
My best friend is Chloe.
How long have you known Chloe?
We've known each other for a long time, since high school.
So you've known each other for...
Yeah, for about 10 years now.
That's a long friendship.
It is. We've been through school, university, our first jobs, and lots of life together.
Those are the friendships that often last a long time.
I hope so.
What do you usually do together?
We both enjoy quiet places.
That sounds very Emma.
We love finding little cafes where we can sit for hours. We chat, catch up on life, and sometimes bring a sketchbook or a camera.
Because Chloe's a photographer, right?
That's right. She's always looking for beautiful places to take pictures.
And you're always looking for beautiful things to paint.
Exactly. Sometimes we visit an art museum. Sometimes we walk around the park, taking photos of flowers and trees.
That actually sounds like a really relaxing day.
It is. I always feel happier after spending time with her.
You know, Emma, I think the best friendships are usually very easy.
What do you mean?
You don't have to think too much. You can just be yourself.
Oh, yeah, totally. I completely agree.
You don't have to pretend to be someone else.
Exactly. A good friend accepts you for who you are.
That's what makes a friendship special.
Are you and Mark very similar?
In a lot of ways, yes. We both love sports. We both enjoy watching movies.
Let me guess. Pizza, too?
Of course. We also have a similar sense of humor.
So you make each other laugh?
All the time. Sometimes we're laughing so much that other people have no idea what's so funny.
I think every friendship has those moments.
Definitely. What about you and Chloe? Are you very similar?
In some ways, we both enjoy art. We like spending time in nature.
And peaceful cafes.
Yes. We're both happy sitting in a quiet cafe with a cup of tea and talking for hours.
Lovely.
We don't have to do anything exciting. Just spending time together is enough.
I like that. Do you and Chloe ever travel together?
Yeah, sometimes.
Where do you like to go?
We like visiting little towns or gardens.
That sounds perfect for taking photos.
Yeah, she brings her camera, and sometimes I bring my sketchbook. It's really relaxing. What about you and Mark? Do you travel together?
We've been on a few weekend trips, mostly to watch football matches or spend time outdoors.
Really? Sounds fun.
It is. But honestly, even if we're just watching a movie at home, we always have a good time.
That's the sign of a good friendship.
I think that's something worth remembering.
What's that?
It isn't about where you go. It's about who you're with.
Definitely.
Listeners, you can see that best friends usually like the same things.
To talk about your best friend, you can use these simple sentences. You can say, "My best friend is Chloe."
Or, my best friend is Mark.
You can also say, "We met at school."
Or, we met at university.
Maybe you met at work or through another friend. Then you can talk about what you enjoy doing together.
For example, we like playing football together.
Or we enjoy drinking coffee and chatting.
These are simple sentences, but you'll use them often.
Okay, let's imagine we're introducing our best friends to each other at a party.
Sounds good.
Hi, Alex.
Hi, Emma. This is my best friend, Mark.
Nice to meet you, Mark. So, Alex, where did you two meet?
We met at university about 8 years ago.
Lovely. That's a long time.
It really is.
What's Mark like?
He's funny, outgoing, and always makes me laugh.
I can see why you're good friends.
What about you? Is your best friend here today?
My best friend is Chloe. No, she is not here today.
Where did you meet?
We met in high school.
What do you like doing together?
We love visiting cafes, walking in the park, and going to art museums.
That sounds like a wonderful friendship.
Yes, I'm very lucky.
Okay. I hope everyone listening has someone they can call a good friend.
And if you do, maybe send them a message today.
I'm sure they'd love to hear from you.
That's a lovely idea.
Before we finish today's episode, it's time for our vocabulary highlight. We are going to explain 2 great phrases from our chat today.
The first phrase is best friend. BESTFRIEND. Best friend.
A best friend is the friend you're closest to.
It's someone you trust, someone you enjoy spending time with, and someone who knows you really well.
For example, my best friend lives in another city.
Or, I've known my best friend for 10 years.
Some people have one best friend, and some people have 2 or 3 very close friends.
The second phrase is hang out. HANGOUT. Hang out.
To hang out means to spend time together in a relaxed way.
You don't need a special plan. You can hang out at a cafe, at someone's house, or in the park.
For example, I like to hang out with my friends after work.
Or, we usually hang out on Saturday afternoons.
It's a very common expression, especially in everyday conversations.
Okay, everyone. It is time for our shadowing practice. Let's practice talking about our friends.
We will say a simple sentence. Then we will pause.
During the pause, you must speak out loud. Copy our speed and our voice. Are you ready? Let's practice.
Sentence number 1. My best friend is Chloe.
Sentence number 2. We met at university.
Sentence number 3. We've been friends for 10 years.
Sentence number 4. He is funny and outgoing.
Sentence number 5. She is kind and patient.
Sentence number 6. We like to hang out at the weekend.
Fantastic! Great job today!
Yes, keep practicing these sentences until they feel very natural.
Now you can talk about your best friend, where you met, how long you've known each other, and what you enjoy doing together.
Okay, before we finish, it's time for our question of the day. This is your action step for day 14.
We'd love to hear about someone special in your life.
So today's question is, who is your best friend and where did you meet?
Write your answer in the comments using simple English.
For example, my best friend is David. We met at work.
Or, my best friend is Maria. We met at school and we like to go shopping together.
If your best friend is a family member, that's okay too.
Yes, your brother, sister, cousin, or even your husband or wife can be your best friend.
We'd love to read your answers.
And don't forget today's challenge. At the end of your comment, type Day 14 completed.
Tomorrow is an exciting day.
That's right. We'll be finishing week 3 together.
Thank you so much for joining us for day 14 of the 30-Day English Confidence Challenge.
We always enjoy spending a few minutes with you every day. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe.
And if you have a friend who's learning English, share this podcast with them.
And please hit the like button. It helps our podcast reach more people who want to learn English.
We will be back tomorrow for day 15. Have a wonderful day hanging out with your friends. Stay confident and keep speaking English. Goodbye, Alex.
Goodbye, Emma. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.